how to download the Acrobat Reader for free on your computer or laptop. So this is a really useful tool to allow you to open and edit your PDF documents. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser, and then you can just type in the search box Adobe Acrobat Reader and press search. You can then click on this top website, which is the Adobe Acrobat Reader PDF tool. You can then click on the Download Now button and then press Download Acrobat Reader. Now, after a few seconds, that should appear in your Downloads folder in the top right hand side of the screen, and then you can go and open up this file to begin installing it. You can then just wait a few moments while this installs to your computer. Now, once it's finished installing, you can just go ahead and press finish, and then you'll be taken to this page here. Now, to go and open up a PDF document, you can just click on open file, and then you can go and select the PDF document that you want to open. Now, the last thing you'll need to do is open up the start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on apps, and then click on default apps. Now, you need to scroll down and click on Adobe Acrobat, and you need to make sure all of these file types are set to Adobe Acrobat. So I'm just going to change this .pdf one here to Adobe Acrobat, and this will ensure that PDF files are always opened in the Adobe Acrobat Reader.